Damn, it's a rich thing.
Each earbud uses touch controls, so you won't feel the press of a button. Only the right bud can be used alone for a single bud listening experience. When you remove your Indy earbuds from the case, they'll automatically turn on. When you put them back inside the case, they'll automatically turn off. To pair to your device for the first time, put your earbuds in the case and then remove them. This will automatically turn Indy on and put it into pairing mode. Then select Indy in your Bluetooth device list and pair. To pair to a new device, make sure your earbuds are turned off. Long hold the right bud for 4 seconds to power on and enter pairing mode. If you want to turn off the left bud to use only the right bud, make sure both earbuds are on and connected, then long hold the left bud for 6 seconds to turn it off. To pause or play your music, double tap the right bud. To turn up the volume, tap the right bud once. To turn down the volume, tap the left bud once. To skip a song forward, press and hold the right bud for 2 seconds. To skip a song backward, press and hold the left bud for 2 seconds. To take a call on Indy, double tap the right bud. You can also end the call by double tapping the right bud. To reject a call, press and hold the right bud for 2 seconds. To charge your earbuds, place them in the charging case. The earbud LEDs will be a solid red while charging. The LEDs will turn off when fully charged. To check your earbuds battery life from the case, open or close the charge case, and the 3 white LEDs will show the percentage of battery left: 100%, 70%, or 30%. You can also check your shortcut screen on an Apple device to see your earbuds battery life in the top right corner. To charge your case, plug in the micro USB cord and connect to a computer or wall charger. If you ever need to clear your paired device list, make sure your buds are turned on and not connected to any device. Then press the right and left bud 4 times. The earbuds will turn off automatically. This will clear Indy from all your paired device lists. If you have any other questions,